Hmm? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at how to trade on Binance. Okay, so before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, go to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. In this particular video, we're going to check how you can start trading on Binance as a beginner. First thing you must understand, you must first have a Bybit account, download the app and make a proper verifications. And after that, make a little deposit to your account, be it $5, $10, or better still, you can also start trading using a demo account. Okay, using a demo account, or you fund your trade using another, or you fund your exchange using another exchange. Because if you are doing this from Nigeria, actually you will not be able to fund directly from your exchange, from your Binance app. All right, so all you just need to do is to quickly come to this place. You can just click on your P2P to see if you have a chance of funding from your particular region. And if you don't have a chance of funding from your particular region, you can actually go ahead and fund from another exchange. Right, so after funding from another exchange, and you are like sure that you have 5 or 10 USD or any amount of USD you fund, make sure something is available on your exchange before you can start trading. So after that, we're going to look out for a particular cryptocurrency coin we want to trade. Okay, we're going to look out for a particular cryptocurrency coin we want to trade. Let's, for example, want to trade this cock. When trading this cock, you need to first look at it, study it very well, and go ahead to place your trade. So this token has extremely high trading volume. Please take note, potentially price risk. So always look at any particular cryptocurrency coin you tend to trade. All right, so that you can actually know where exactly you're going through. Okay, so click on this trade. By the time you click on this particular trade, you're going to see your available USD here. You can see I still have 10 USD here to trade with. Okay, then I'll come to this place to put my total USD, or I drag this line from this particular place to the next place. I can just go ahead still to click on TP and also SL in order for me to set my take profit and also stop loss right here. So after all of this one has been done, I'm going to come to this place to click on buy. So if I click on buy like this, everything is going to pop up like this. I will be purchasing 2,575 cock coin at the rate of what 0.00422 USDT, and the total USD I'm going to use is 10.88. You can see, look at this is where I'm talking about. Okay, then I'm going to pay from my from my funding wallet. Now I'm going to confirm the trade. If I confirm the trade, and orders will be created immediately. So how do I know that my order is being executed or not? Coming to holding. If you come to holding, you can see if your orders is being executed or not. You can see in this particular place, I have you can see in this particular place I already have 3,342 particular cryptocurrency coin of this particular coin. You can see here, of which I've already gained 4.76 USD, which is plus 50.82. all right, so all I will just do now is to now come back to this place to sell each time I see that I have made my reasonable profit. Okay, you only sell when you make profit. If you don't make profit, you wait for another opportunity. Okay, so now you can see if you want to sell, you can easily come to this place and sell everything and get your money back. But the trade I just tried to execute it is still in open order. That is, it's not yet executed. Okay, so if you want your trade to be executed automatically, what will you do? You come to this limit section and click on, you come to this limit section and search for market price. You understand? Limit section and check for market price, or use our stop limit, because if you use stop limit, it's going to execute the trade when this particular trade volume reaches that place. All right. Okay, so this actually brings me to the end of this particular class. If you do have any question, do it to drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.